Hey everybody, Joe Giardulo here at SOPRANOPLANET.com. I've discontinued my missing link mouthpiece, but in doing inventory year end, I found that I had a handful, and this is one of them. And it's available, and it'll be going up on the website. You can contact me if you're interested. Anyway, this is new old stock, so to speak, not a used mouthpiece. This one has a tip of .066. And give a listen. This is on my Selmer Series 2. That's a missing link available. That's a number 3 read on here, by the way. Check it out. Drop me a line. Joe Giardulo, SOPRANOPLANET.com. There's a second missing link that I'll be putting up a video about. Check it out. Be well, stay safe, keep playing. Hi everybody, Joe Giardulo at SOPRANOPLANET.com. This is the second missing link that I have. This is a .065 tip, very close to the first one, 066. A little bit different feel, maybe a little darker. Yeah, you can hear it. This is, I'm playing it on my Summer 2, and it's got a number 3 read. It'll be up on the website. Drop me a line if you're interested. I've only got a handful of missing links left, so when they're gone, they're gone. Joe Giardulo, SOPRANOPLANET.com. Be well, stay safe, and keep playing.